Hi everyone, this is Tayar Vora and welcome to one more episode of the Master Strike. First, I would like to wish you all Happy New Year. Hope your last year was good and this year turns excellent in trading. So, without wasting time, let's start. Now, we'll have Nifty outlook first. First, we'll see what Nifty will do on Monday. As you all see, the pattern of Nifty is not like a ladder, neither it is in flat pattern. Nifty is continuously rising, retracement, it's rising, taking retracement. So for Monday, you can buy Nifty anywhere here 17,300 or 17,280. थोड़ा नीचे आने दो. The more you buy towards the downside will be better. Buy near 17,280, 17,300. You can buy even at the closing price 17,350. Then the stop loss will increase. Then you'll place a stop loss here somewhere. 17,230 levels here, where the green bar ends here. So with 17,230 stop loss, you can buy Nifty for Monday for a target of 17,380, 17,500. Unless and until Nifty crosses this line, I'll tell you this line, the blue line, 17,630, 17,650. You can't predict any more uptrends. And if you talk about monthly output or a weekly, first we'll talk about weekly. Then with a stop loss of 16,900, you can buy Nifty. So for the whole week with a stop loss of 16,900, you can buy Nifty for a target of the same 17,800, 17,900. Unless and until, again I'm repeating, Nifty does not cross 17,630, 17,650, हम लोग नहीं बोल सकते कि it has changed its trend. Now we'll look at Bank Nifty. Now if we look at Bank Nifty, when we talk about Monday, daily charts, you can buy Bank Nifty at, again I'm telling you to buy little bit lower. The closing was 35,480, you can buy somewhere here. 3,500 or 35,200 levels for a target of 35,800, 35,900 levels. On weekly basis, you can buy Bank Nifty again, buy little lower at 35,200, 35,250. The stop loss will be here somewhere. 34,400, 34,500 levels. I'm talking about weekly basis. Our outlook for Bank Nifty is totally different. If we compare Nifty and Bank Nifty, Bank Nifty seems a little bit more weaker than Nifty. So for a monthly outlook, we can sell Bank Nifty. If it comes near 37,800, 3800, I made a note here. So you can take a screenshot of that. For monthly, if it comes near 37,800 level, somewhere here, you can sell it for a target 35,500, and the stop loss will be very thin stop loss, 38,200 levels. Last all our videos, what we predicted about Bank Nifty, and it's going accordingly. So ऐसा नहीं है अगर बैंक निफ्टी 37,800, 37,900 हो गया तो लॉन्ग बेट जाओ, टीवी वाले चढ़ा देंगे आप लोग को. बाय 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 फॉर अ टारगेट ऑफ 400. Unless and until Bank Nifty crosses 40,000, it will take the same pattern, rise, sell on rise, and this sell on rise will be around 37,900. Now we'll take one more stock, that is Reliance. Again for Reliance, this is a major hurdle here at 2420, 25, 2430 levels. So our view for monthly, I'm not talking about daily or weekly, for monthly, for any time when you get Reliance somewhere near 2480, it had a breakout red candle here. So if you get somewhere near 2480 or 25,000 levels, 2500 levels, sorry, you can sell Reliance with a stop loss of 2530. The target will be 2350, 2320. So Reliance is sell. I'm not talking again, I'm repeating, I'm not talking about the daily or weekly outlook. Whenever you get Reliance this the whole month near 2480, 2500, you will sell it. आराम से आपको 150-200 रुपये नीचे मिल सकता है. Again, if we go to Nifty charts, the pattern is very interesting. So unless, see, now look at this. I'll not again, I will repeat, I'll not, this is not a ladder, and this is not even an head and shoulders pattern. So it can go anywhere, but right now on daily charts and weekly charts it's positive. So 17600, 17700, I'm seeing that 17600 levels, 17650, unless and until it breaks this line, the blue line, you can't assume it that the Nifty will cross 1800 levels, 18,000 levels. Now daily trade लेना बहुत ज़रूरी नहीं है. Instead, when you just learn when not to trade, that is more important, and that will be your biggest asset. If you think my video was useful, kindly like, share and subscribe, and you can open an account with Choice Broking. Thank you. Take care. Stay safe.